Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Haven't brought you a video for quite a long while. Only reason being we took a bit of a back step on the installs due to the engineer having a couple of weeks off paternity leave. Congratulations to him. Just going to show you today's install on a Freelander. Now, if you're familiar with our YouTube channel, you probably see like we've done a couple of videos previously on the 10.4 and the 13.6 inch screens, but my sole purpose of taking the video today is due to this type of dash. We do get a lot of questions on the dashes of the car and what types of variants that our systems will fit, and more times than not that we get people coming back saying that they're being told that this dash there's nothing for. Now, don't know who you've been speaking to or who you've met or whatever you've been told, but it's certainly not the case with our system that we're going to install today. So it's the 10.4 Tesla vertical style screen we're going to put in, which is an Android, and I'll be back in two seconds to show you how it looks. I'm back, guys. So this is the end result. So as you can see, the system is perfectly fine for this car. So this dismisses any negative thoughts that you have that it won't fit this type of car. It's a load of nonsense. It's fine. Or obviously whatever you've been told has been maybe old information, but I'll say totally good, perfect. As you can see, all good, working, nice touchscreen, 8-core processor. This is our new Android 10 system, which will be in our website. So if you got any information, I'll put the link on the description down below. Give us a call on the contact details also in the description, and have a good day. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.